Adom Kyei-Duah, he has done a very good job. I have been listening to him. I sometimes open my TV when he's preaching. In fact, I get it okay. So what he is doing, we have to support him.
Ebishani adofo Yehu Ishrawo na Yehu onsan enkamo. Ene Papa Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah, the great man of God. Ebiye mbrum Onyankopon difo ba ko pe a Onyankopon yi na mo micro Ghana. Ono ene anape yebediro komo na yesan so ejina sa dwumadie so na ya woshi ye Papa Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah happy birthday. Na wa wo hwe me se susampa sa wo ye Philadelphia Royal na wo ye Philadelphia Badia ene bomode na fasa akwanya we so the type of conversation ho say happy birthday to our great man of God, the voice of God, the I mean me word have been French okra na Papa Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah aye adewan wabi na eno na ye Papa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I salute you. I salute you because you have done a great work. Me no kasi. Just Papa Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah assign abai nimbada yemu. Assign ebie ni sebu bie. Anam na wude iso. Ye Papa gambaga. Orofo wadi kasa bia betudwa. Na kasa no ena mepese wo so ubetibi. Na mesrewo send me dinka no say suampa so ye Ghana ni ebia na enyo ma minti na wuntimi share video we na mesra o share video we mo share na nkoto ye Papa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na asema Papa no di tudwa no ye gotimbra
Pibrana Kolgumamara Banzo II, Paramount Chief of Pibri. I'm so happy that Second Chance people are here. They have brought one of the victims on witchcraft. They want to integrate him with his family. The way I see it, our people need education on witchcrafting. So my appeal is that the churches should come out boldly to try to preach what the Bible, the gospel says in the Bible.
Papa Adom Kyei-Duah. What's you be? Somebody.
Some of the churches, when they go, they come out to tell the people that you are a witch, which is very bad. You counsel them. That is what the Bible says. Counsel them and let them go and integrate them with their people. But immediately you say he's a witch, you've already put a mark, and he cannot go back to his family. Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah, he has done a very good job. I have been listening to him. I sometimes open my TV when he's preaching. In fact, I get it okay. So what he is doing, we have to support him so that he continues. If he continues it up to 2 to 3 years, you see that most of these things will come down. So I will appeal that the government should listen to Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah to sign the bill.
And Papa no kasa so. Enuanoma dofo no ma omko bo ma me no ma benfo. Afi Papa ano kasa etinya sakra madwene. Amomako gambaga hine wo se eja ekura se waka na so wo mene. Yenia ne ye boye ma me no benfo. Enam asofo no makohwefo nti afi ye abase ye ba befa ye ba me akofi na na wre chichire. Se ne makoma tom yi ma me de tim studio mu he orofo ese wani enye se ka kiro. Hwe we ntina me se Papa Adom Kyei-Duah ho a wo ni video a mensa ho nko me jai Papa video no full video ni am wa hwe na oni maybe share video we ma me na ye to sra His Excellency John Dramani Mahama o promise no yesro wotwa 1 year ya say wura 2 years mu hwe ewia so one before asem bi e ka say ye wodi ehia ene ye wodi efata nyoma bi wo ha ehu hia mai o mai Ghana say yen twentwen na ase kura orofo yentie bi o kaka ho yentie
Kama. Ye papa nso amfa nso hwa ye mama ahyetu eba no ye papa ema no emo bag baako esan ma no abro bag baako esan so hwe se ye fuel car ye de ye mama ahyetu ebeba team no eba no ye di akire nso so aba bepie mu ewo bindi biaya ye mama ahyetu efiri na ye bedure no eye nika bindi hene agi ye mama awa tu otu ye mama fo ene ya ye ba ye nyina tu ye fo kasa kire bebre e kan sama eso ani ekire ye brother Samson Lara or ye papa nam sini e di nanu di sem e di toja sanso na bindi hene enso e di nanu di sem e di toja ye maami Aishetu ene ne nuana mo nso ye tie nsem kakra bi efiro mo nche yenko tie ne omode toja.
My name is Samson Adom, the Gambaga brother. As you can see, this is so much to talk about. Once again, Papa has done it. One of our mothers who stayed in the camp for 3 good years, 3.5. She's 69. She has been reintegrated. And all the support you can talk of. Talk about the feeding. We've brought her rice. We've brought her maize to just keep her going while she settles down. This is something we cannot talk than to say thank you and God bless you, Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah, for what you are doing. These are people who are actually in need, and you have shown out that, yes, you are a man of God who thinks about the poor. Thank you so much, Papa. All what we can say is Yahuwah Shrao, Papa.
Mini abampacho ye fra o say.
Ye fra me flena.
Sister Flera ampacho wo de na ma Aishetu.
Ma me na ya Aishetu. O ayame de no say ma me ana to krom ha. No wasa ba na singwie. Me fa onyankopon da na asese wan diki ensra na ayeye anomonyam anka Yesu Kristo di mu say waya ade na ma me pieye mfie miasane no sa ye edumi na ma me sa baaye gambaga ni nyamensra no nyamema ne ba bia de na ope no na nyame ya ma no na substance so a de na waye no nyamempagya no nyamema de na no sore no kwanim nyame amma no sore ne enye den engofom wampagya no wayira fikura nyame kai no nyame hwe de na obaye na mami a wafa mami abagyaye mini de amba kama nyakompon otumfo anyame e kan se me fansera anka no
Philadelphia this year and there will be ha e anigisem ko a ye maami Aishetu ni na abusia se de omo woka nyina se asedanka twedi ampon Nyankopon ene ye papa Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah se enam nanum kasa so ende ama abusia agepene se onsan emba free ensia nso san koma gambara na ene bindi hene reporting for Grace News NSA unse
in fact papa die de bia meka mesisi nya papa Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah ne sesoa be mienu miensa kura ana se mfa ne yemfa ne se papa Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah ye minister ene ke nya ne seso yenya ne seso e wo region bia mu a nke Ghana nka ye krabehwe eno ntina ya de bia mi na meka sa fidie so na meka se ewiase beda ho hwe ni papa pa ho a ne ho ye na eno ti se Nyankopon ye wa dom na odofo so obehie ni papa pa na wa bomode pa se obaye de obosoro mu ye ye behwe video no nka ye no na woni bibi mesere se wo ye Philadelphia ba mo na mo beye obi anye ene papa Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah na woda mesere video wi mo sheda nipa ba ko bia sheda se obehye video wi ya na video wi enko viral na papa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama metoto sira wada roma hwe ye maame na mo oma bre e wasofo no musem asenkenya dum nyame na dumara kwa enam papa Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah so a enka maame no mu enkenya ni jema ye biemu enka ye owuo ne nka befo mo nenso papa Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah na da romanti enem no ka sei enuanom asanso di ose ayoyo akofa ye maame no mo efrisa tibie mu akofa ye maame no mo efrisa
nanka tena sema me
Nikula otasu
ami na nhwa de was screen so di waja ne wonani na won kwa aware asase anyame asese ehira to ama
oni wo yo
na de sha agi babia enti mesra miso me how me dagin nyina ne mesra aja
oya o wan ko mu namu kane na ke eja yɛde mpontimba yɛde aba ɛne yɛde buru yɛ maame no mu all in the name of sɛ sɔfo bi sɛ maame no mu yoi ɔmo yɛ abɛnfoɔ hwɛ sɛ wɔne mbɛyɛ adwene maame ka dokora sɛm nkyerɛw onyankopɔn ma osi ma ɔdɔ ɔman Ghana nti ɛne wɔyi papa Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah ama yɛn sɛ nka ɛnam no so na ɔman Ghana ɛntumi fa ne tempefra odi nkan yi adiifoɔ akuku dam no bi no mu ma ɔman Ghana yɛhunu ɔmo so hwɛ yɛho ama yɛho me so ɛne yɛtena hɔ ne nipa bɔnefoɔ bi ɛdi nipa tramo dwom saa na nkɔfoɔ wei mu firi hɔ ɔmo kɔe yɛma mpanyin odi nkan wɔ ɔman Ghana mu nyankopɔn yi ne ma ɔman Ghana sɛ nka ɛnam no so na ɔman Ghana ntumi fa ne tempefra ɛne na nsɛm nkɔte asɔfo bi abedina ɛyɛ radio ni television so sɛ ai na Kwame Nkrumah kɔgye kanka nyame
Gone to a juju before. Kwame Nkrumah, who established the foundation of this country on idol worship, he went to Benin, a city called Kankan, to bring an idol. If you read his book, Ghana, the autobiography of Kwame Nkrumah established that he has mystical and supernatural power, not from God, but from idols. In his own book, I have read it, written exams on it. That's the foundation of the politics in our country. What happened? Today we are marking over 2. If Kwame Nkrumah had honored God, he would have been honored. They took him abroad with tithe and offerings. He came back worshiping idols when he met Haile Selassie. It is in his book. I'm not in Nkrumah. Hey.
Honestly, for me, I'm not here to debunk anything this man is saying. I mean, maybe there are some things that he saw because he's a man of God. There are some things that maybe he can see that I cannot see. So that one there, I understand. That is spirituality. However, if you are basing this thing on facts that are available, therefore that one alone, so for me power chop, this one there, I beg to differ. Because, bro, this book that is talking about Ghana, the autobiography of Kwame Nkrumah, yes, it touches some points where he talks about spirituality. Like, for example, this book, The Conakry Years, it talks about, at some point, he talks about how he hates religion, organized religion, like, Christianity and all of that. Because it was used to destroy the freedom of man and made man turn into a spiritual slave. Apart from that, all this book talks about the political struggle. It doesn't talk about any kankan nyame. Maybe there's a part that I haven't seen yet. Now, second of all, there's this picture of Kwame Nkrumah in front of this statue, the altar of Benin. I'm sure that is why the pastor said it's from Benin. This is not Benin. This is from the kingdom of Benin, which is now in Nigeria, the Edo State. The Kankano is the name of a city in Guinea. And there were instances where Kwame Nkrumah went there to meet the president, Sekou Toure, after they gained independence, in Conakry, not in Kankan. Now back to the statue that people think is really Kankan Nyame. This is part of the bronze statues that was taken from the kingdom of Benin by the British in 1897 from the Edo people. Some of them were actually idols, but then when you look at this one is totally different. Now when you pay close attention, you see that there's a cross on the chest. They have ones he was holding a spear and a shield. These statues were built to honor the king, the Oba of the kingdom. So for the people who believe that some of these pictures are Kankan Nyame, I'm begging you, there's no doubt Nkrumah had a third eye. Because when you look at the things that he survived in Ghana, any other person would die. There were instances Kwame Nkrumah was seen with this particular man from Senegal, Sheikh Ibrahim Inyas. And this was a spiritual father of Kwame Nkrumah and also an advisor. And he was friends to many Pan-African leaders, not just Kwame Nkrumah alone. When you go to places like China, Christianity and Islam is not really there. But when you look at them, they have one of the best countries in the world. So I don't know the point of this whole thing.
Enye kankan nyame kan na wo kan ye city a ewo Guinea enso so enam se nimdie na asofo no makohwefo omumpa no kura hu nti no na omu attribute bibia se eye witchcraft eye benfo eye anyan na nkanyankopon e ma wontiase ama wonyansa ama wonhu nniye ni nhunumu e wo sa kasa no mu a nka wo ye sofo a wonfa wano mbie a se bi wugina ekwan mu na wo ka sum masem na esum ni han edi wotwaka bia adenti na Kristo asofo a ye ba wo oman Ghana mu die ya feli nyankopon poto nkane na ke akofa calendar a ye buru yifita a ye nso bribery e da we mai dia dance sin onyankopon enye buruyi onyankopon enye bibini onyankopon yo de obade ni nia minu mienu ya piem afiri maba a nyankopon me ye so mu nyansa ento so ya ye hu bibia se medwene ho a mentiasie bibini kwa ba tiasfo asase we so no we hunu no som a wosombo ema onu Nyankopɔn anka ɔde saa sombo no ɔde be kanfo no yura ade Nyankopɔn ɔbɔ no ba tiasfo asase we so na nso de bia ne ye kanfo ade foforo ɔdɔfo so wan share video we ano in paboni ni na mahu sɛ mu nia mo ka ho mu nia mo kasa asɔfo akohwifo no ho video we mo share ma enkoto His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ye mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama obai wabe sa taxes ni nyoma pii afiri ho aka de baako ye ma menimu o promise ye promise no afidi akowie bibi yo ho ade che bia menim sa mo twɛn no mo de campaign bia mu I don't know we dia na ya dia na echechire wo dia na hawo sa wo ma me no wo kra de wo ye not na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wo ye not na na dia na echechire wo dia na hawo dia na akoba nti ye ma me no mu untumi san beli na meye ensekete na ka sofo makosufa every blessed day omudi ehu tonkofo so e wo mo so de mo njai aba ye onwoma bi wo ahuhia ye onwoma bi wo so ahuhia ye onwoma bi ohuhia na nso ye de fata ye de ese aden na o my Ghana ye beto ye ma me no ma o mo giti o mu botomu 9 months akontu akoda ma me yemhwe ne ye ya me ye bata ni bi I know what I'm saying inti aden na ye onwoma bi wo mo ma ye nje aden na je ye tena wa na bi bia ye basa adofo no ma mutie mi adofo na mo hwe me to some passes one share video ya be ya me ya pa utumi hwe video no one like it we in paboni ni na se munia mo ka sofo no mo se asofo mo nkoso ambo ye mamne wabefo so one share video we na ma video ya nko viral na se mu ka sofo na mo ba befo no mo ma papa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama o hunu video we wo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama me sere mo ka che se me hia no o hwe video we na se nkenye papa Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah na da romane na no kasa ene ye nananom ne ye maame no mo omo ho aba omo so a omo san akọ gamba gabia ho akoyi omo maame mo afiri sampo kire ni ma ne nka asofo yi mu ekasa so called Christian council na mu kanfo ya nka ponti ba na ke de baboro maame mu nka ma ba ye Nyankopɔn dia yiwe ni akodinu akoye wufuso ma mo se mo san asofo yi ho ase mo njai Chanye ye bom hit wo kasa yentumi mbabro mo yentumi ndi matem na emum ye bom achi video bia mo beye bia yakohwie video bia mo beye biara emfa kwam no ye beba ebo expose mo because mo ya nipa panefo mo pele kure wo magana mo ade na mo gun o magana ani masesa na no na sofo amwakwata betra video so am from ehwe ankwada ehwe en radio yi ni TV station si e won ko from a phone so na sofo mu a wantumi antena wasore dem wo anya marriage council afi radio so ni TV so ene wabegyina na se bi se menka sa asem krampo wa abofono munia mo ka ho no my God na edu pepesu adi because mu no kura mo tumi ka no kure mo akohwu sem ne mo mama nyoma bi a mo yenti ene my God na tumi fa ne champion fra orofo ye won shira na ye won sai kan ho ye ko hwe video no mra na fa sa akonya we so na we ya papa Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah happy birthday papa ye won shira o na yewa enkan papa Adom Kyei-Duah ye won shira why you think media ye nam sa kasa fidie so na ya si o my Ghana eni ewiase nya se papa ene ye wawda Onyankopɔn obo osoro obo asase a odo ko Nigeria ne wanje wajeje mu na oma wo ho ba ho me so na wo so kura wo so okura wo so na ene aye nyumnyam hye no Onyankopɔn obewie wadwuma the 500 years na wo kan udin eno ne ebebɔ na yɛse yabɔ sebi nipa ne mu bi kura betena asfasa si wi so bɛyɛ isemuhunu ebɛyɛ nsamfo ebɛyɛ nyoma bi a sebi ensem fata na wo ya de pase ni ebo odin a ne nipa bi ne mu sɛ ade na de bia papa we o ta bo ne di pa na me bo ne di na kam ko bo wo papa di wo papa wo bɛyɛ bibi papa anke ebo ne din nti wo papa ma ye bi papa ye ntumi bo ne din no wo hyase sɛ wo ya de papa wo hwɛ me na mo da ho atimo koro no mo mutima azan no mo ene Ghana institutions ni ada na corruption ene o my Ghana ntumi fa temple fra mo hwɛ me wo ka ho bi agyae na mo ye no guasefo mo pa de pa nyankobra
pay going while he settles down. This is something we cannot talk than to say thank you and God bless you, Stephen Adom Kyei-Duah, for what you are doing. These are people who are actually in need, and you have shown out that yes, you are a man of God who thinks about the poor. Thank you so much, Papa. All what we can say is Yahuwah Shrao, Papa. Yeah, that's it.